I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 15 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a written signature, and I've got this a receipt from, it's just something, a receipt from a vintage receipt that's got a signature on it. We need something delicate. I've got this butterfly and I've got these roses. Something out of the recycle bin. I've got this piece from a jewelry shop tag part. A cold-blooded animal. I've got this turtle or tortoise. Something soft. I've got the puppy dog. In neutral color, I've got this, I think it's a macaw. I'm not sure. But I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Hopefully this week I can kind of get back on track. My husband was on vacation last week and then I got sick. I've been on some kind of stomach bug, but I didn't feel like doing videos. So I am happy to be back. All right, I am going to use, let's see here. I want to, I'm just going to tear off this receipt. I had a tear ruler, and of course here it is. It's clear, it's hard to find. And I'm just going to come back here. Get through it. Just go ahead and all right. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to put that. I'm going to put this back where I can find it. All right. So I've got my signature. I have got these flowers. Let's see where I want to put them. Let's see here. Put my pen back in this so it won't stop up. All right. Let's scoop this down. I think not sure. Just have to play around with this till I find something that I like. But I do hope everybody's been doing good. I've been doing good. I got these. And let's see. I do like that. Maybe something along this one, and I have I can put my butterfly maybe somewhere like that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I finished the Melinda Lee book I was reading, and it was really good. It's book one in the Bree Taggart The downside to having the Prime reading is they'll sometimes only give you the first book of a series, and then you want to get the other books, which helps them, but doesn't help me. Because there's a lot of books, and there's so many books I want to get. Okay. Sometimes that's why I just like the one and done books. I don't have to worry about getting the next, although I do get attached to so many characters. And I had to give that book a 5 because it really was good. I like that the characters is good mystery. You didn't know right off who the killer was. And it had a little bit of romance, a little bit. Just, I say more, not really a romance, but more of attraction. I have to be honest, I really don't like the books where they just meet and then jump into bed, because that's just not the way I roll. It's just, you know, you fall in love. I like when they build up to a relationship where they're like friends before they get more involved, and that's the way you can tell these are going. And that's the way I like the books. I mean, you have some that the romance builds, but it's just, I don't know. I don't like the books that look for an excuse to have a sex scene. I guess is what I'm trying to say. Not that I don't read those kind of books. I really am not crazy about trashy novels. I don't like that. But, you know, you have romance in your books. You want there to be a reason for the romance. And not just some flimsy excuse to have a sex scene. And I'd say that about TV too. There's a lot of trash on TV that has a lot of stuff and bad words that really don't need. There's no point in it. Go with your story, you know. Let your story stand alone. Okay, enough with my preaching. I'm sorry. People may not appreciate that. And they may not care about my opinion. Okay, there we go. I like that. So now I want to get my gold paint. Let's see here. I like the deeper golds better, but I'm starting to run low on them. There we go. So let's see what we have. We have written signature, something delicate. We've got the butterfly and the flowers. Something out of the recycle bin, got that little tag. Something soft, we've got our dog. A cold-blooded animal, we've got our turtle. I don't know the difference between a turtle and a tortoise, but we've got that. And the bonus is a neutral color. And this is neutral, the butterfly is neutral, the dog for the most part is neutral. Flowers are neutral, so there's lots of neutrals here. And that is what we have this week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful week. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP15. So until next time, bye y'all.